It hurts. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore a phrase that you might hear quite often, especially when someone is in discomfort or pain. That phrase is, it hurts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use this phrase correctly. It hurts is a straightforward English phrase used to express pain or discomfort. Let's break it down. This is a pronoun that, in this context, refers to a specific part of the body or a particular situation causing the pain. Hurts. This is a verb in its third-person singular present form. It is used to indicate pain or discomfort. For example, if someone accidentally hits their toe against a table, they might say, ouch, it hurts. Here, it refers to the toe. 1. Specific pain points. You can be more specific by pointing out the exact location of the pain. For instance, my head hurts, or my back hurts. 2. Degree of pain. To describe the intensity, you can use modifiers. It hurts a lot, or it hurts a little. 3. Questioning. If you're concerned about someone, you might ask, does it hurt? Or, where does it hurt? 4. Past tense. If talking about a past event, you can say, it hurt yesterday. Or, it used to hurt. 5. Continuous form. If the pain is ongoing, it's hurting right now. Understanding the context is crucial. While it hurts commonly refers to physical pain, it can also denote emotional pain. For example, after a breakup, someone might say, it hurts to think about her. In this context, they're talking about emotional pain or sadness. There you have it. The phrase, it hurts, is a simple yet versatile way to express discomfort or pain in English. Remember, context matters, so always consider the situation when using or interpreting this phrase. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Stay tuned for more.